imagine scrolling through Instagram and landing on a Brazilian chef's reel, but instead of Portuguese, she's speaking perfect English in her own voice. And that's not magic, that's Meta AI. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Meta just dropped one of its most impressive AI tools yet. Yes, real-time translation, dubbing, and even lip-syncing for reels across Facebook and Instagram. Now videos in English, Spanish, Hindi, and Portuguese can sound like they were made just for you, complete with the creator's tone and voice cloned in your native tongue. Yes, even their lips move in sync. Whether it's a dance challenge filmed in Delhi or a DIY hack from Sao Paulo, Meta AI is tearing down the language barrier and making reels feel truly global. But don't worry, every AI touch video is clearly labeled with a translated with Meta AI badge. And if you prefer the OG version, you can just turn off the dub or lip sync anytime. The only problem is this feature isn't available to everyone just yet. Only Facebook creators with 1,000+ followers and public Instagram accounts in countries where Meta AI is live can use the tool for now. But it is a big leap towards making viral content cross borders and cultures. While YouTube and TikTok offer creator captions and translations, Meta is the first to roll out full-blown voice cloning with lip sync. It's part of the platform's strategy to stay ahead in the global content race, and it might just work. So next time a Latin American or Indian creator pops up in your feed sounding like they grew up in your neighborhood, take a closer look. That might just be Meta AI talking. Did you find this update exciting? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.